Hello guys, and welcome back to another review. So this is by the brand Skinfix, and this is their Eczema Plus Hand Repair Cream. Clinically proven to help treat eczema and dry, cracked skin on hands and improve skin moisturization by 111%. Oddly specific number, but we'll go with it. Tested and recommended by unbiased derms, has 1% colloidal oatmeal and 5% sweet almond oil. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and this is a 3 fluid ounce size, which retails for $20 at places like Sephora. So, bit spendy for a hand cream, but if it works, might be worth it, because we'd see this. It's probably not even showing up on camera near as bad as it is in real life, but oh my god. Like, I keep getting cracks on my hands. That, like, it's the part of the year where they're just really bad. So, this is for eczema, dermatitis, dryness, itchy, cracked, and sensitive hands. So, again, has colloidal oatmeal, 1% in it. The uses: temporarily protects and helps relieve minor skin irritation and itching due to eczema. Let's see here. Apply generously as needed, especially after hand washing. The inactive ingredients are allantoin, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, Avena sativa kernel oil, shea butter, calendula officinalis extract, caprylic/capra triglyceride, caprylyl caprylate caprate, matricaria flower extract, citric acid, ethyl hexylglycerin, regular glycerin, glycerol stearate, sunflower seed oil, rice bran extract, petrolatum, phenoxyethanol, polyglycerol 2-stearate, potassium sorbate, sweet almond oil, rosemary leaf extract, jojoba seed oil, stearyl alcohol tocopherol, trisodium, ethylene, diamine, disuccinate, water, aqua, and xanthan gum. This is cruelty-free and Leaping Bunny certified. It's number 5 recyclable tube, BPA-free. And it is an accepted national eczema.org, well, it has the seal of it. So, alright, National Eczema Society. So, free from steroids, antibiotics, fragrance, parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates, silicones, lanolin, propylene glycol, PEGs, and gluten. Allergy tested and pH balanced. Results on average. Offers temporary relief. Results may vary. So, let us find out how it does. So, it comes out in a consistency like this, which is a bit more watery than what I was expecting. For some reason, I thought this was going to be thicker. Oh, okay, that's actually a really nice consistency. It reminds me a lot of, oh, not Murad, what is it? Not Mederma. Can't think of the brand now. Not Aquaphor. Comes in a really big white tube, though. Like, pretty much every pharmacy sells it. I have it affected on my arms, too, so I'm putting it up a bit. You don't have to, but I have it all the way up to the elbows. Especially on the elbows, actually, so, while they say it's fragrance-free, there is just some natural scent to it from some of the ingredients in there. It almost has, like, a very subtle minty scent, interestingly enough. Like, really, really soft. Might be the rosemary that I'm smelling, I'm not quite sure. So, it does have a very, very greasy feel to it that is not immediately sinking in, but I think that is also kind of the beauty of this particular one. So, when they say it's for your hands, it's for your hands. Do not use this on your face. You will almost definitely break out with something with this consistency. So, we'll see how long it takes for it to sink in, and I'll do an update for if I felt like it helped, or if it's just overpriced hand cream. So, I'll keep you posted. Okay, update on this Skinfix stuff. So, I thought of the brand that I couldn't think of before. It's Eucerin. This totally reminds me of the like intensive treatment one. This is like the same exact consistency, texture, it stays on the skin just as long, and frankly performs like exactly the damn same as that. Except this itty-bitty little tube costs way the hell more than that. So, I mean, yeah, it does its job. Yeah, I'll use this up, but I mean, I would never pay $20 for this little thing when Eucerin doesn't even cost half that for a big old bottle like this and literally works identically. Like, everything about this, like, every last thing, identical, as far as I'm concerned. So, for me personally, since I find they work the same for me, yeah, they're interchangeable. I will stick with the cheaper one. But if you found the other one doesn't work for you, but this one does, then by all means, money well spent if it helps you. But I mean, just for me personally, I'm like, well, I don't see a point wasting that much money on something that doesn't work any better than something I already have in my arsenal that's way cheaper. That already I thought I was spending a lot of money on, to be totally honest with you. So, it is what it is. But like I said, I will use this up. But, it did stay greasy for like hell of long, just like Eucerin. But that said, even after one day, that is looking better than it was. Again, I don't think that the lighting was picking it up accurately yesterday, so it's possible it looks worse to you guys right now on the camera, but in real life, that's actually faded some just since yesterday and way less rough. So to me, that's impressive. So, I mean, it does work. It just is spendy to work. So, anyways. Honestly, I don't know that I can really give it a true number rating, because for me, it's just a comparison game between it and Eucerin, and I can't unbias myself from that. But in terms of does it work or not, yes, but it's overpriced and you could totally get the same thing cheaper. So anyways, that is it for this one, my dudes. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, until next time, see ya.